Hello everyone, a quick midweek video for you. If you haven't seen our social media announcements, we have announced the 2 coaches coming to our 2023 Las Vegas mobile showroom. The brand new Luxe 46 RKB rear kitchen, which is a part of our Elite series. You'll be able to see and experience not only the new floor plan itself, but some of our new interior options such as the real hickory cabinetry and the white soft touch walls. We are also bringing a 44 FB toy hauler. Seeing one of our toy haulers in person is a great way to help envision your plans for the use of the Flex Space Garage. Even if you are looking to see the front living or one of our Gold Series coaches, I encourage you to make an appointment and come and see us regardless. You'll get to see the quality of our build for yourself, and our factory direct representatives will be able to answer your questions. I've linked the booking down below, and we'll take a quick look at the RV resort itself here. We should be in one of these red areas. Unfortunately, the RV resort can't disclose our locations to us yet, but keep an eye on our social media and we'll let you know as soon as we can. We hope to see you there.